Hello, Gabrielians. I am back with a wonderful recipe of bread that has no flour, has only 4 ingredients, and is the most delicious thing, peanut butter bread. Today, we're celebrating 4 years of this channel, and for that reason, I'm bringing the 4 ingredient only recipe. And here are the ingredients. I am so happy to be right here, right now, and share with you the beautiful recipe of peanut butter bread. No kneading, no proofing, no flour, but one of the most delicious breads ever. And this super healthy bread has no sugar, no salt, no yeast. So I promise that it's just pure pleasure. For my desired perfect texture, I'm going to use my Kitchen 8, but you can use a fouet or a wooden spoon. The texture should look very soft, like a cake. And then I'm going to allow to bake for 1 hour in my bread machine. I can use the oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. We'll bake it in the oven for 45 minutes and I will test it with a toothpick to check if it is dry. And you can use as well the air fryer at the right settings for bread baking. Oh, and it's beautiful. This is the beginning. And this is where it's going. Oh my God, it looks so good. What do you think? I'm going to immediately transfer to a rack so it cools down. And then I'm going to eat it with lots and lots of jelly on top. But first, I'm going to take so many pictures because it looks so pretty. I am going to test it and I'm going to share a story with you about the jelly. And also, I'm going already to thank you so much for your wonderful subscriptions. Please don't forget to like, to comment, and to share with everyone because after all, it is such a delicious and healthy bread. I'm recording for the first time here in this beautiful corner. I hope you like it. And I have a wonderful peanut butter bread. And it is unbelievable because it's made only with 4 ingredients and it is so simple. So it's peanut butter, eggs, vinegar, and bicarbonate sodium. So cool. And of course, I have the jelly just next to it. This recipe is in honor of my father because he helped us to make this jelly. I will bring this cute recipe that I have. It is one of the last recipes we did together as a family and I don't have the heart to finish it yet, so please bear with me, but I'm going to bring it. It is going to be so much fun, and what it is going to really surprise you. But now let's go back to the peanut butter bread. So here we have, how is it possible that you make bread with no flour at all and you're just going to use the peanut butter? So here we have, and I'm going to cut it. Okay, there we go. How cool is this? Look, did you see how it is easy to cut? Look, and it won't crumble. So this is completely gluten-free, dairy-free, and just, oh my God, it's so cool. It sings. Do you remember the singing cake? This is a singing bread. And now I'm going to just show you. So this is the peanut butter. This is the jelly, pure jelly. Look at this. It is so cool. There we go. And I'm going to leave it here, okay? This is the easiest bread ever because I made it with the bread machine as well. It always stays with this kind of shape and it's just so delicious. Oh my goodness. Smells so good. It will always have like a little hole. How easy is this? Now I'm going to show you something, which is the singing of, look at this, how fluffy. This is the singing bread. My father always used to make this with a cake, and I'm going to put the link above so you can hear it again. Thank you so much for being with us, and bon appetit! which is peanut butter. Then you put a little bit of vinegar, baking soda. No, I'm wrong.